Merry Christmas, Chookies. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Chookies. Oh, Merry Christmas. There you go. Merry Christmas. Yep, we're getting stuck into this. Oh, you guys like the meat, don't you? You found the meat. Oh, ah! Oh my god. Chookies, you ruined the Christmas platter. Oh wow. Christmas feast for Chookies. We'll see if the guinea fowl want anything. Hey guinea fowl. This is a male and female guinea fowl couple. It's a male on the right, the female on the left. Do you want anything? You're a bit shy. I'll throw in something. Come on. I'll look at it anyway. Chookies, you want to finish off the platter? Getting stuck into it. There you go. Go nuts. Go nuts, Chookies. Finish it off. There you go. Go crazy. Merry Christmas. There you go. Did you enjoy your Christmas lunch? Yep. Oh, we're still in Christmas, so shorts and thongs. They absolutely polished that off. Look at that. Didn't leave anything for the guinea fowl. See? Nothing for the guinea fowl over there. They're just hanging out. Very polite. Yep. Hey! You're trying to bite my fingers. Chookies are trying to bite my fingers. Alright. Well, that's Christmas done, I think. Christmas lunch demolished. And the female guinea fowl's calling. They're so chilled. And that's the female on the left and the male on the right. Just hanging out. Just a little couple. Alright. Well, Merry Christmas, Chookies. I think you've eaten it all. Oh, yeah, alright, get all the last little bits. Lick the bowl, go on. There you go. All gone. Except for what's on the floor there. Eat what's on the floor. Alright, Merry Christmas, Chookies. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.